Would you stop talking and fix the sewer?
Everyone's watching to see what you do.
You're on it now. Yeah. Traffic. No more traffic. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, baby. Ooh, you look a little pale there, pal. Let me fix that. Oh, look at you now. You're all yellow from the scurvy. Arr, Captain. Don't get the Hulk angry. You won't like him when he's angry. Oh, there's Barney. I love you, you love me. That jogger had giant boobies.
Let's get you that tan you've been searching for. That's it.
Check out Julio Iglesias.
Pretty.